Here we're going to look at another measure of the center of the data called the mean. This is the most common measure and the one that most people use. We're going to work out the mean for this set of discrete numbers. The mean is always equal to the sum of the data, so we add up all of the data. And then, when we've added it, we divide by the number of pieces of data. For this data set, which we've met before, we know that there are 11 pieces of data. And this is equal to 82 over 11, which is 7.45, given to 3 significant figures. For this second data set, we do the same type of calculation. To work out the mean, we add up all of the pieces of data to find the total sum for the data. And then, when we've found that sum, we divide by the number of pieces of data that we have. In this case, I just added a 14 on the end, so we can see that we have 12 pieces of data. This is equal to 96 over 12, which comes to 8.